I hold up on that.
Well, this is a sound that could potentially save your life. In response to a severe risk to your life, the government will issue an emergency alert. This way, we hope people never have to receive one of them, but the sort of scenario they might do is if a river bursts its bank, your home is at risk of being inundated and your life is at risk. It's just another tool in the toolbox to make sure that if there is a risk to life, you get an alert from the government telling you what to do.